Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2011. That's right, 2011. This is the Cadillac Escalade with the 6.2 liter Vortec motor. It's black in color, as you can see. Chrome body side moldings. It even has power running boards. 22-inch alloy wheels. This car is an amazing car. It only has 70,671 miles on it. Got a power moonroof. It's even got a DVD in the back too. It's got navigation. It's got Bluetooth for your cell phone. Power tilt and telescopic. Power seats both sides including lumbar. This is a 7-passenger vehicle. It is a one owner. Has a clean Carfax. It's even got a trailer hitch on the back. And it's got a power liftgate besides. Folks, you gotta call me. Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You'll only find this Escalade at Firkins.